Creating a Microsoft form for OCTC event check-in is a fairly simple process, and I'm going to walk you through the steps. So first thing you need to do is go to My Path, and at the top left corner, you've got those 9 white dots. Click on that to open up your app options and go to Forms. Some pop-up windows might come up. You can exit out of them. Those are going to be tutorials or guides on how to use Microsoft Forms. For this purpose, we don't need to do all that. That's going to go into more detail than what we need right now. So go ahead and exit out of those and then click New Form. Your form title should be the event title, date, time, location, and if it's merit approved. That's going to help you find it later. And then your form description is where I like to put, if you need further assistance, please email octc.info@kctcs.edu or any other email address. If you're creating the form, it'd be good to put your email address in there for people to contact you to get help with completing the form. So next, we want to go ahead and quick start with our first question. Go ahead and do text. And this should be the student's name. Go ahead and make that required. Add new question, text. This should be the student's KCTCS email address. Make sure it's required. We need the KCTCS email address for students because that's how we find them in merit to give them that merit credit. And this third question is optional. Another text question, not required. A lot of events instructors will send their students to for class credit. This is where you want to put that instructor's name. And that's why it's not required, because not everyone is going to attend an event for class credit. All right, up at the top, we've got style. And you've got all these different layout options, background options. You can play with them. What I like to do is give it a custom background. So I click customized, then this plus sign, upload image, upload, and then it'll open up your file library. I'll just pick a random picture for now. This allows you a little bit of creativity. So now that we've got our custom theme, come over to settings. Make sure that when you're looking at who can fill this form out, click anyone can respond. When students, staff, faculty, or guests are completing these forms, they're scanning the QR code with their cell phones. And then if you have it selected to only people in KCTCS can respond, it will trigger you to log into your KCTCS account on your phone. Not everybody wants to do that. And students, it's going to slow them down. So we want to get them checked in and participating. So anyone can respond is the easiest way to go. I would leave all the other options undone or just the way that they are. So next, you want to go ahead and preview it. Just see what it looks like. If it looks how you want it to, great. If not, go back and edit it. You can also take a look at what it looks like on your phone, because most of the time, people are going to be filling this format on their phone. This is also why you want to keep it short. Then go back and collect responses. So we're ready for people to fill this form out. Make sure over here on the left, again, it's going to ask you a second time who you want to be able to respond to this form. Then come over here and rule of thumb, shorten your URL. And then copy your link. It's copied. You can go and paste it wherever you need to. This is the link that you would put in Teams chats for those hybrid events. Now down here a little bit, QR code. Click this little icon and it'll show you your QR code for this Microsoft form. Now you can download this as a PNG or JPEG, just an image file, and you will get this whole square. Or you can just right-click, copy. Now I've got just the QR code, just the black and white copied, and I can go paste that into a flyer, a Word doc, an email, what have you. But it doesn't come with the other information. So that's how you create a Microsoft form for an OCTC event check-in purposes.